Hi, I'm Lon Lamb, and today I'm going to teach you the best way to chop an onion. First, you're going to cut it in half from pole to pole, and that means from the top through the root. You want to make sure you're using a really sharp knife so that it's doing the work and not you. Now lay the onion cut side down on the cutting board and trim away the tip. Peel back the skin and leave the root in place. Place your hand flat on top of the onion, and you can flex your fingers up a little bit if you'd like, and apply just enough pressure to keep the onion from sliding around. Make horizontal cuts with a slicing motion, keeping your knife parallel to the cutting board, and don't slice all the way through. You want to stay about a ½ inch away from the root end. The goal here is to make evenly spaced cuts, which will give us evenly shaped pieces for even cooking. For a chop, space these cuts about a ½ inch apart, but for finely chopped onions, you'll want to keep them more like 1/8 inch apart. Now we're going to change to a bear claw grip, which keeps our fingers safely tucked away. We're going to make vertical cuts, and again, don't cut through the root. Finally, slice crosswise, and remember to use your knuckles as a guide. It'll keep the knife from sliding around. And that's it! You chopped an onion! Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments, and hit that subscribe button below.